Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff. Another first time turn today. I have never turned beech, and I've got a piece of beech. So let's find out together whether or not I like turning beech. I have to say my hopes are not very high because it is very heavy for the size, which tells me it's fairly dense and might not be super fun to turn. And it's also like super boring looking. But one of the cool things about turning is that you never really know until you get in there what you're going to end up looking at. So today we're doing beech. It's about 2.5 inches tall by about 6-ish inches across. So a nice little bowl size to give it a try. Come on, beech. Who knows? Come on. Yeah, that's pretty hard. Yeah, it's pretty hard. Pretty hard and pretty boring. And again, we got some drying cracks in it. Right on. I gotta find a new wood supplier. It's okay to cut. Where'd those cracks go? Yeah, those cracks look like they go all the way through. Right on. Thanks. I think I'm just going to do one up swoop and just let the wood be what it is. It cuts nicer than I thought it was going to. Like, cuts very homogeneously, which is nice. It is very hard, but... And again, lots of cracks down in the bottom here. Sweet. And yeah, pretty boring. But it's a piece of wood and we're going to make it a thing. Yep, some speed cracks. It makes it go faster for aerodynamic purposes. Yeah, okay. All right. see where we can go to here. We'll go to 2 1/8 or so deep before we get to that mortise. And we are at 1.5 inches, so we can go about another ½ inch-ish before we need to start worrying. Maybe another 1/8, but let's just hold off on it until we get the sides a little closer, and then we'll get to full depth right at the end. Let's try some carbide. I haven't tried carbide yet. See how she cuts with the carbide deal. That's pretty nice. That carbide works is pretty nice on it. Yeah, the carbide works nice. We might be just about done for this guy, I think. Yeah, we could go another... maybe we'd be safe going another 1/16 deep. But let's not bother. Let's just flatten off those couple little ridges there. And just call it good enough. Yeah, a little thicker side than I would usually like, but got these cracks going all the way through it at the bottom, and I just want to leave a little more structural integrity down there. Let's not push our luck, and let's actually have a thing instead of exploding it. I think I might, yeah, I think I'll just cut the rim and get to sanding again. Yep, pretty okay. So beech, yeah, it was better than I thought it was gonna be in terms of its turnability. It is very hard, and therefore you gotta go a little slower with your cuts than I generally like to, but I'm fairly aggressive turner in general. Maybe this is the type of thing that I need to slow me down. It is very homogeneous wood, so it cuts very well consistency-wise, I suppose you might say. But it also, because it's so hard, it isn't the type of wood where you can be like, well, that cut's good enough, I'll just get it with sanding, because it takes forever to sand tool marks out of it. So make sure you're very sharp and that your last cut is as good as you can get it. But yeah, I'm not rushing out to go find some new beech to go turn, but I won't turn it down in the future. Turn it down, get it? There's an accident. Yeah, not too bad. It's a nice little bowl. It does have some flaws in it, but wood is a natural material. It's gonna have some flaws in it, like we all do, you know? Anyway, that's it for this one. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe, everybody. Bye for now. I enjoyed that more than I expected to. Let's say that. All right. Bye for now. Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff. Another first time turn today. Why am I... Yay everybody. Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff. Another first time turn today. I got this piece of beech. And I don't have my hopes very high for this turn because it is pretty heavy for its size. And it's also boring as shit looking. So it's fucking plain looking and not very exciting. Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff. How about beech? Anybody ever turned beech? I have not. So let's do that. It's boring looking and it's heavy for its size, so I don't have very high hopes for how this is going to go. Might not be very fun, and it might turn into a shitty thing. Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff. I got this piece of beech. I've never turned beech, but let's do that. I guess it's pretty heavy and it doesn't look very cool, but you never know until you get into a piece of wood what you're gonna get. Do better. Do better.